Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a strong Instagram password. So if you're trying to, or you've been thinking on how to change, or you're trying to figure out a strong password that you can use to secure your Instagram account, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing to do is open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon, then tap on the three-line button at the right top corner, tap on it. Then under the settings and activities, tap on account central, then scroll a little bit down, then tap on password and security. So under this option, you're just going to tap on change password. So you're going to tap on the account that you want to change the password. So in this video, I'm just going to tap on this this profile. So I want to change the password for this account. So last time this password was updated was 2021. Imagine since 2021. So if you want to change from weak password to strong password, you just have to input the current password of the account. Just input the current password, then from there add a new password. So I'm just going to give you different option on how to add a new password. So if you want to use a new password, I'm just going to suggest a new password. Make sure you use the combination of numbers, letters, different characters. Use combination of numbers, alphabet and symbols just to ensure a strong password to avoid being breakable by hackers. And that is the best way to use a strong password to secure your Instagram, or to save or to keep safe your Instagram account from being hacked or being hacked by spammers. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.